A flying monkey is a person who acts on behalf of an abusive or narcissistic individual to target, manipulate, or spy on a victim. Why do people become flying monkeys? Spreading gossip and sharing false rumors with targeted lies to hurt a victim's reputation. Spying, reporting, and gathering information on the victim and reporting back to the abuser. Acting as messengers by pressuring the victim to reconnect or fall back in line. Enabling and defending excuses or denying the abuser's bad behavior while gaslighting the victim. Why? The deception. They believe the abuser's fake version of events. People pleasing. They want to help or keep the peace. Fear. They worry they will become the abuser's next target if they refuse. What are flying monkeys' warning signs? They side with the narcissist no matter the situation or evidence presented to them. They spread gossip or rumors about you. They gaslight or manipulate you. They dismiss or trivialize your feelings. Monkeys pass on information about you to help the narcissist harass you. A flying monkey in a relationship is a person like a friend, family member, or coworker who is manipulated by a narcissistic partner to do their dirty work. You can spot them by noticing if they aggressively repeat your partner's screwed stories, interrogate you on your partner's behalf, or pressure you to forgive abuse. Monkeys use the exact same buzzwords, accusations, or complaints that your partners use against you. Blind loyalty, repeating the narrative, information gathering, and their favorite tactic, guilt tripping. They try to force you to reconcile with your ex-partner or tell you that you are being too harsh or unfair. Proverbs 16:28 states, "A perverse person stirs up conflict, and a gossip separates close friends." Gossip acts like a wedge that ruins deep and loyal relationships. A dishonest or troublesome person actively creates arguments and division. Exodus 23:2 states, "You shall not follow the crowd in doing wrong." When you give testimony in a lawsuit, do not pervert justice by siding with the crowd. The Most High commands people to tell the truth and uphold fairness instead of copying bad behavior or joining a popular group to twist a legal judgment. Spreading love, care, and overstanding. Pound H&E t-shirts. Pound EPK. Enduring People's Crossing.